I swear that was Lil Dicky, bro. That looks like Lil Dicky.
Hey, all I bitch you is your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro.
What's up, guys? You already know what it is. It's a snow day. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, it's a fucking blizzard out here, nigga. I don't know if I'm surviving this one. Oh, shit. Fuck it. I'm gonna get stuck or some shit.
To end the vlog here, man. We risking out. Not safe.
Not safe.
This blizzard's real as fuck. Like, I almost died. I couldn't breathe while I was out there. That shit was slapping my ears heavy with the bass, man. The wind, but yeah.
Like this shit.
Better like this shit. We risking our lives for y'all fucking nosy ass niggas, yo. But yeah, man. Peace and love to all you. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Don't do that, Peter.
We live in the T right now, man. Gonna go to the Bean, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
Thinking back me, boom. Yo, check out our new mixtape about to drop soon. I'm just kidding. We're gonna have, I don't know what we're doing. We're having a clothing line soon. Get in it. What? Oh. This thing is gay.
It's crazy fast,
Yo.
We going to New York right now, man. All the New York ladies in the ready. Got the tips on there.
Man, we on the train about to catch some honeys. You know what I mean?
Yeah, let's go
Joyner
show them the honeys.
Joyner got all the hoes. Yeah, I'm about to go get me some girl.
Really, nigga?
Turning up like it's college on the weekends.
Yo, I swear that was Lil Dicky, bro. That looks like Lil Dicky.
That Lil Dicky?
We might have seen Lil Dicky.
Get that! Y'all saw that? Oh!
That's lit. Boston's lit, my man. That's why we're here. It's a great community. Stay tuned.
Yo, let me be your producer.
Bro, I don't know who that is, but you finna be in that music video, man.
Play the music over here better, to tell you the truth.
Hey, can you, let's go test it out.
Okay. Hey! Come on, y'all! Put your hands together! Yeah! Yeah! No one?
Alright, yeah. Give this man some money. That's how it sounds, bro. I'm gonna give this man some money, bro. Oh, wait, I don't have no one. So okay. If I did, I would.
I mean, honestly, this man deserves some money. Right? Compare with that?
No, that's okay. Cool with my mans.
Trying to pump y'all up, man.
Good man. Hey, good man. Hey.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's really good.
What a blessing.
Bless that man's soul. Oh, we gotta go.
Go, go, go!
Yeah, almost got finessed. Those doors are not open.
I thought you guys weren't coming on, bro.
That's crazy. Yo, man, how do you feel about, 2017 so far? How do you feel about 2017?
It's pretty lit, not gonna lie.
Oh, really?
A lot of success coming, you know?
Are you a technician?
No. Construction manager.
Hey, I respect that, man. Keep doing your thing, man. Keep doing your thing.
Thanks.
It's cold as fuck right now, but we in the bean, man. The good old bean. Home of the Patriots, Celtics, Bruins, Red Sox,
Patriots,
man.
baby. Super Bowl 51,
Yeah,
baby.
Who are you? Anyway, home of the bean, man. Feel me? This is where dreams come true.
This is really cold as fuck. It's cold as shit here.
Facts.
I'm moving to Cali.
You should.
You better stop, nigga. Yeah, that's what I thought. Bitch.
Oh, you see that limo over there? That's crazy. That's some next level shit. Yeah, that was something to see. He was like trying to say something. This is where I have my dinner.
I was expecting them to say something. I was expecting us to get kicked out.
Hey man, it's Boston.
Hi guys.
Oh, how you doing?
Can I help you with something?
Oh, we just never been here. I didn't know we couldn't go there.
I'm sorry?
I've never been here. I didn't know we could not go
Okay.
there. So.
Did you want a table for two?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna have to ask you to stop filming for legal reasons. Did you want dinner for two, or were you on your way into the hotel? Okay.
Alright,
Boston's
we just
grimy.
ran out that hoe.
Trying making us order some food. We were just trying to chill, man.
She-
Boston's grimy. Though.
As you can tell, she made me turn off the camera.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm fucking tired. Oh, it's cold!
it is what it is.
It's cold!
Where the hell's those white niggas?
Oh yeah, we gotta get our white friends.
Damn,
Shit.
you gotta go back.
How's it taste, Paul?
Bro, I'm about to make a mess of it. All I know is this shit's pretty fire.
I'm hip. You think it's fine?
This lady is forcing it.
What she said?
She's forcing, I'm forcing. She's wearing everywhere. she's forcing. Mad rude, to say the least.
She's lucky she looks good.
She's lucky she look good. That's all I can say.
Oh Lord, I just call it if I want it, call it if I need it, and I don't need no reason. Oh Lord, If I want it, I'ma cop it. And I